Hello beautiful people, all my ladies in the house. In today's video we are going to be seeing this urban tour call from Freetress. We're going to see if this hair is going to stand the test of time. This was beautifully installed on my client's hair. Like you can see, oh look at that, so beautiful. Okay, and she's gonna be back after 3 weeks so we can see how it lasted. Voila, this is after 3 weeks, guys. So you be the judge. Let me know, how did you think this course did? Okay, honestly, initially I was really skeptical. I thought this course would not last about a week at all, and I was the one that picked the course, so I was just hoping and praying it lasts. But guys, honestly, it exceeded my expectation. This is after 3 weeks and it doesn't look so bad. So Freetress has my respect now. This is a synthetic crochet hair. Of course you're not going to expect it to look so nice, but with care you are going to enjoy this hair for about 3 to 4 weeks. Guys, she didn't even do any care to this hair the whole 3 weeks, because I asked her and she said all she just did was just pack and go. So if you're the type that don't want to do a lot to your hair, you just want to up and move, guys, I think Freetress got you. So yes, it was really nice. I just added edge control to the front of her, to her edges or the front of the hair, just to bring out that beautiful look, or to make it look kind of new again. And then I went ahead to add an oil based hair moisturizer. Guys, I said an oil base, not water based. So you want to stay away from water based moisturizer on your synthetic course, okay guys, because synthetic and water don't go together at all. So the oil based moisturizer just helps to bring that shine, and it also helped me to see some of the curls that needed to be trimmed. All right, so I was able to just go in, separate the curls that were already tangled, and just did some trimming. I made the hair a little bit shorter just so she can rock this for another 1 to 2 weeks again. It's all up to her. But guys, really, after we were done with this trimming, it still came out okay. That means she could still rock this for another 1 to 2 weeks. This is a good money spent, okay guys. This is lightweight, it is cheap. If you're just looking to give your scalp or your hair that break from high tension styles, okay, like braids, this is a low tension protective hairstyle, guys. It is a protective hairstyle and it is low tension. It doesn't pull your hair, it doesn't put that much pressure on your hair. Or if you're just tired of letting your hair out and you just want to put your hair in a protective style, this is perfect for you. You could just do this, rock this for about 3 weeks to a month. And guys, some hair that you just bought very cheap, you rock it for about 3 weeks to a month. Yes, I would say this is a good buy, guys. I would say this is good money spent, and it came out okay after 3 weeks. So guys, you be the judge. I've given you my own opinion. I would definitely do this on my hair. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this, okay guys. If this is something you want to try, maybe for the summer or for winter, you tell me. Over here, guys, we post hair review videos. Look, I am not just telling you to buy stuff. I am showing you exactly how those things operate, how they will stand the test of time. So you will be the judge to know. Look at her, she looks beautiful after the revamp. Guys, please like, follow us, share. Mwah.